Hi, fellow aspirants. Good afternoon. Today's back we have taken SBI clerk mains live mock test on Smartkeeda platform. In that exam, in the quant, I have attempted around 13 questions, but 2 questions are incorrect. So whatever the questions are correct, I will try to explain 4 to 5 questions in this video. If you didn't attempt these questions which I am explaining, so please check out this video till the end so that you will get some understanding on these concepts. Okay, so first question is which is very interesting, and I solved it and the question got correct and I got the marks also. So what it is saying is, in a class the number of students is 20 less than the number of chairs. So students are less and chairs are more. And how much more? 20 chairs are more. And 60% of the students are girls. So till here we will get some data to solve this question based on this condition below. If from here, if okay. So let me share my paint and then I will explain you this question in the paint. So this is the question. So what it is saying is, let's take number of girls are 60%. So I will take students here. Okay, I will take students here. Students, and here I take chairs. So please listen carefully, very interesting question. In students we have boys and girls, and the 60% of the girls are girls, means 3 upon 5, 3/5 students are girls. If girls are 3, boys are 2, and total are 5. So let's take variable so that we can understand very clearly. So here see what it is saying is 20 number of students is 20 less than the number of chairs. If the students are 5x, chairs are 20 more than the students. Okay, so now the data we have written, now we have to combine the data based on the condition in the question, and we have to solve. If half of the boys leaves the class, half of the boys means x leaves means x boys are already x boys still on the chairs. So if boys x half of the boys leaves the class, then number of chairs will be increased by 30%. So already 5x chairs are occupied by students, only 20 chairs are vacant. If half of the boys leave the class, means they are vacating x chairs. Okay, so number of chairs will be increased by 30%, means 10 to 13. Already 20 vacant chairs are there. Okay, 10 units 20 means 13 units 26. Okay, so how many chairs are vacated? See, vacant seats are increased by plus 6. Why vacant seats are increased by plus 6? Because half of the students are vacated the chairs, left the class. So half of how many students are left? X boys are left. So how many more vacant seats got created? 6. So x is equals to 6. Now we got the x value, like variable x variable value we got. Now we will check the question what it is asking to mark the answer. So find the total percentage of chairs occupied by girls. X is equals to 6. How many girls are there? 18 girls are occupied, like 18 girls are on the chairs. How many chairs are there? 5x means 5 into 6 30, 30 plus 20 50. So how, out of 50, 18 chairs are occupied by girls. 18 by 50 into 100. It is asking for percentage. Now we have to multiply it by 100. So 52 is a, so percentage is 36%. 36% chairs are occupied by girls. I hope you understand this question and solution. So this is the one question. And other one is one DI I have solved, which is very interesting. I will show. So this is the DI. A class is there, 5 sections are there, and in each section boys and girls are there, and it is and in the data given in the line graph is percentage of boys present in the each section and number of students are absent. So I already taken this data in the my paint. So let me show. So here in section A, 75% boys are there, 25% girls, 40% boys, 60% girls. In section C, 45%, 55%, D 60, 40, E 50, 50. And the data given in the line graph, one more quantity is number of students are absent in the each section. Okay, this is the data. So let me go to the question first. This is not the first question, this is the first question. So here I have answered and I got the correct solution and I got the marks in this, and I have around 3 minutes I spent on this question and the mock test. So here what the question is asking is, if 8.33% of the boys and 50% of the girls are absent, then find the number of boys present. Okay, so 8.33 and 50% option data we got. Okay, and we have also option data only. We need to relate with the option data because the data, actual data given in the line graph is about option only. Okay, let me go to the data here. So let me just write here ratio of boys girls in the section A. Okay, 3:1. Okay, total is 4. So what it is saying in the question, what it is saying, 8.33% of the boys and 50% of the girls are absent. 8.33 means we know all we know percentage to fraction is 1 by 12. Okay, if boys are 12, assume 12 boys are there, then among 12 one boy is absent. Okay, so let me take boys as 12 here. So I will multiply this ratio by 4 so that I will get 12, so that I can move ahead to solve this question. Okay, so I will multiply by 4 here, 4 here and 4 here, so that 12 boys, and this is not the real value, like original value, it is ratios, 4 girls and 16 total quantity, like total strength. Okay, and question what it is asking about, find the number of boys present. Okay, find the number of boys present. Like we got the absentees which are 30. Okay, which are 30. So see, 8.33% means 1 by 12 boys absent, means 1 boy is absent, means x, take the x as a variable so that you will get the answer, plus, and 50% of the girls, like 1 by 2 of the girls are absent, means 2x girls are absent. So we got the option data in the line graph, it is 30. So 3x is equals to 30 and x is equals to 10. So we got the one variable we want to know, so we got the data. Okay, so if I put that into the boys girls total, present, absent. Boys is 12, 12 tens are 120. Girls are 40, total is 160. Absent is 30, total 160 na. So present is 130. So what the question is means number of boys present. Number of boys present means we know out of 12 one x boys are absent means x means 10. Okay, 10 10 boys are absent means how many boys are present then? 110 boys are present. See here, 110 boys are present. This is the answer. So it is just about understanding the ratio so that you can get the answer for this question within no time. Okay, this is the first question. Okay, and second question is so here see this question was topper was guessed it wrong, but I did it correct and I got the marks for this. Okay, so here this is in this also we have to do with the ratios only. Okay, I will just clear this content. I will just clear this content. Okay, so here this question is also very interesting. Please listen carefully so that no doubts. So we'll take the ratios of the boys and girls on the data given in the line graph first. First it is talking about section C and section D. We'll take the ratios of boys and girls and the section C and section D. So if we take the section, it is section C, boys, girls, total, present, absent. Okay, D. Okay, so here we'll take the ratio of boys and girls in section C. 9 is to 11. Okay, and total means 20. Absent is 12. Here D 3 is to 2 and total is 5. Absent are 20. These are the real values. Okay, this is the ratios. Okay, ratios. So we'll go to the question and we'll check what the question is asked. The strength of the boys in section D is twice the strength of the boys in section C. Okay, first we'll make the relations. It is twice, thrice, 2/5, 1/5, 2. If it is given in the percentage, then it is in the question is saying about relationship between two quantities. Okay, in the question. So what it is saying, number of boys, strength of boys in D is twice the strength of boys in C. Okay, so here if you see here, in the class C, boy strength is 9x. Okay, assume 9. So it should be here, double of 9 means 18. 18 means you should multiply this 3 by 8, 6, so that you will get uh, that twice strength of boys in this, twice that strength of boys in C section. Okay, so that here you have to multiply the ratio by 6. I will write here again, boys girls total only. I will write only this. Okay, 9, 11, 20, 18, here also 6, here also 6, 30, 12. See, 9 plus 11, 20, 18 plus 12, 30. So relation was established between section C and D strength, so that we can move ahead to solve the asked question. So what it is asked, 70% of the students are present in section C. Okay, so here I will write present, absent. Absent we have already know 12 and 20. So option 70% of the total strength in section C are present means 70% means what? 10% means 2 into 10% into 7 means 70%. 7 into 2 14. 14x I'll write x so that you will don't get any doubts. Okay, so 14x were present. Okay, so 14x present means how many students are absent? 6. 20 minus 14, we have absent data, so we need to get the absent data by using this x variable. So total is 20, present is 14, absent is 6x. 6x is equals to 12, x is equals to 2. We got the x value, we will just put the x value here. Okay, so I will write here again so that you will get boys girls total present and absent we have already known 12 and 20. So x is equals to 2 we got. Okay, so use 2 in the place of x, substitute 2 in the place of x. So 18, 9x means 18, 11x means 22, 20x means 40, present means 28. 40 minus 12, present means 28. So here D, 18x means 36, 12x means 24, total 30, 20, 50, 6 plus 4, 10, 60. So what the question is, we got all the values, direct values. So we'll check the question what it is asking. If only 12 girls are present in the section D, find the number of boys absent in that section D. So if I take the present and absent in the section D, boys girls, what it is saying, 12 girls are present, only 12 girls are present. How many girls we have in the section D? 24. 12 girls present means 12 girls absent. Okay, so that number of boys present, it is asking about present. So total absentees are 20, so boys absentees are 8, and if from 36 8 boys are absent means 28 boys are present. Number of boys absent, it is asking about absent, not, yeah, absent means 8 or directly. So this is the question. Okay, I hope you understand. You just check these values, how I've taken the ratios and how I merged, and how I got the variable of x, and how I put the x value into this section, and how I got the relationship between present and option, boys and girls, like that. Okay, this is the second question of the DI. So the third question in this DI is this one. Okay, so we'll just see. I will just clean this paint. If I use the clear content, I will lose this table also. That's why I'm going with this one. I don't clean all. I just clean here whatever it is showing here, so that I can explain that last question also, so that I will end this video. Okay. Okay. So we'll go to the question and we'll read that question. In section A, and it is asking again about section A only. If 10 fewer students were absent, okay, 10 fewer students are absent. See here, 10 students are absent means, so we will get new absent is 20. Okay, and 83.33% of the total students would have been present. If 10 students are 10 fewer students are absent, the total students have present is 83.33. 83.33 means 5 by 6. So 1 by 6 means what? 16.66. In 100%, if we subtract 16.66 percentage, we will get that 83.33. So this percentage fraction is 5 by 6. Okay, 5 by 6 students, total students would have been present. So we got the ratio of present and absentees. Okay, it is telling 5 by 6 total students are present. So if I take 5 by 6 total students as 6x, and present are 5x, and absentees are x. 6x minus 5x absentees. So we have absentees data 20. X means 20 means 5x means 100. 6x means 120. Okay, now we got the values, so we can solve the question what it is asked. If 10 girls are absent in the section A, number of girls present. Okay, so see here, total is 120. We have to take the boys and girls so that we can tell about girls present. So ratio is 3:1. Total is 120 means 430. See, 1 unit is equals 30, 3 units means 90, and 30 girls. Girls are 30, boys are 90. What it is asking? Number of girls present. Number of girls present it is asking about. So see here, what question it is asking about. If 10 girls are absent, then number of girls present is 20. Okay, number of girls present is 20. Okay, so this is the uh, this is the DI I attempted, and I got the right answers also, and I explained. And this is the question which is fascinated me, and then I explained this question is also. So I think this question probability, I think most of the people are answered. See, 83.85% are all answered. So I don't want. So by understanding this question was solved by everyone, so that I am skipping this question explanation, and I just explain one DI and one this table, chairs and boys and girls question. So that's it for the in this video. Thank you.